Hola amigos, today I want to show you how I make tlacoyos. Tlacoyos are little masa packets that are oblong shaped and they're filled with refried beans, and then you can top them with nopales, sour cream, salsa, and cheese. And it's so easy. You're going to take some harina and put a little bit of baking powder in it and some salt for flavor. You're going to mix it all up, make sure it's well combined. And then you're going to start hydrating the harina, and you're going to do so with lukewarm water. I like to add a little bit of oil, but this is completely optional. And then you're just going to mix it in, and little by little you're going to add the remainder of the oil and water as needed. Now the amount of water will depend on the humidity in your kitchen, and as you can see, your masa is ready when it doesn't stick to your hands. And then when you squish it together, it also shouldn't crack. It should stay together. And then you're going to cover it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. And after that, you're going to form little golf-sized balls, a little bit bigger, and then see when you squish the masa how it's not separating on the edges or cracking on the edges. That's what you want. And this is the way I do it. I have very, very small hands, so it's a little bit difficult for me to shape them, but this is my trick. So I make like a little bowl, and then just make sure it's like even thickness all around, and then I add about 2 tablespoons of the cooled refried beans, and then you're just gonna fold it in a half moon shape like an empanada, and then just gonna press it the seams together to seal it tightly, and see how it looks like a little empanada. And then I just squish it right down the middle and see how it shapes the oblong shape of the tlacoyo, and then just work it with your hand and to flatten it out, pinch where it cracks. It might crack a little bit, but like I said, I have very small hands, so the amount of dough that I use is maybe not as much as as much as you'll use, but you just keep working the shape of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but all you want to do is make sure that it's even thickness all around, and then just continue to do so until you're used up all of the masa. And it may start drying out, and all you're gonna do, like you just saw me do, is add a few drops of water, and then just repeat the process. Make the little bowl, and then put the refried beans in the center, shape it like a half moon pocket, and then press it down with your hand right down the middle. And that's my trick. It's not the traditional way. Maybe an abuelita would think I'm doing it wrong, but again, my hands, I'm limited to how I can shape them. And then you're going to heat up a pan with some oil until it's quite hot, and you just place the shaped tlacoyos on it, and you're gonna cook them under medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, and then you're gonna flip them over for another 5 minutes. And then I like to flip them over so that they get nice and toasted. See how that's nice and charred? And then you're making sure that the tlacoyo is evenly cooked. Now then you're gonna top with some nopales and some sour cream, some salsa, some queso cotija, and that's it. So simple, so delicious, super budget friendly. I hope you try.